Good morning, guys. Oh. Where's the key? Open. Ah, nice having a parking garage, really. Have to bring the key back. Gracias, buenos dias. Oh, Honda. So the garage was €4 and breakfast also €4. So I had to make a decision. And yeah, of course I went for the garage for the Honda. I made my own breakfast. Oats. Today we're on our way to Mirandella, which is in Portugal. So we're definitely making it to Portugal today. It is freezing cold. That is also the reason why I started a bit later. It's now 10. It's just waiting to heat up a bit. Unfortunately, the weather is gonna be really bad today in Portugal. I checked the weather maps and it's gonna be raining for sure. That's why I booked the room again. Pretty cheap, €33, including breakfast this time, so that is something. During the day it's gonna be 10 degrees again, but in the mornings it's now -1, I guess. So cold, really, so cold. Get the heated grips going. I would have been so lost without them. I'm telling you, really. So happy I put them on. You can find the video on my channel how we put them on. Alright guys, let's get out of here. Let's do some riding and go to Portugal. Amazing. Okay, Portugal, 1 kilometer. Woohoo! The border to Portugal only took us 7.5 days from Berlin. Okay. Portugal. Here we go. Oh guys, see this in the background? Man, that awaits us now We have like 50 kilometers to go until Mirandella, where our room is for the night. And I think it's time to get in the rain gear again. Oh god. I thought that was over, but here we are. It's always a pleasure to put on this stuff. I checked the weather map and it doesn't look good the next days. It does look a lot like rain. Alright, ready to go. Guys, the roads are so amazing. And the scenery already is just incredible, really. Even in this shitty weather, everything looks really good here. Man, guys, it is so amazing here. Mirandella, that's where we want to go. Let's get some olives for tonight. Alright, Mirandella. Here we are. Just need to find the hotel. It was pouring hard the last half an hour. Tomorrow I will be going to Porto finally. I'm having problems with the Honda since we're here. I don't know what that is all about. Maybe because of the rain. Yeah. I think the gas that we had wasn't good. What's up, eh? Honda, what's up? What is the matter? What is the matter with you? Huh? I don't know, guys. Put it in the comments if you know what that is. Never did that before. It's so weird. Huh. So I put in new fuel now. I put in the 95 because here for some reason the 98 is E10 like ethanol 10% and the 95 is 5% ethanol, and maybe that's why, maybe that's the problem, because usually it's the other way around. Maybe it's not that. So weird, really. Honda. That's so weird. Shit. Okay. What the fuck? Fuck. Okay guys, I'm now in my room here. The lady at the reception gave me a room downstairs, and it's a really big one. Really cool. Yeah, I don't know what that was with the Honda. I let her idle a bit at the hotel for like 5 minutes and then drove her into the parking garage. And yeah, and it seemed to run fine then. So yeah, I don't really know if it was like a combination from the rain and that I put the E10 fuel in. That was a mistake, because I always put in 98 and that usually is E5, while the 95 is E10 in Germany or in other countries. That's why I was confused. And yeah, but I put in 95 now, and yeah, we'll just see if it's better tomorrow. I still have that problem with my stoplight all the time when it gets wet. So what we'll do, I'll just have to check the wiring now. There's no way around it. So I might do that now, or maybe I do it tomorrow. Anyways, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I see you guys tomorrow, where we will go to Porto. Cheers. Guys, I checked all the connections and it looks fine to me, so I have no clue, literally. Put it back together now and just hope that tomorrow it works again, and probably we'll have somebody look into it in Porto.